Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your daily energies, Capricorn, I'll be picking few cards, guys, for your relationship and your career situation also. I'll be picking one card each and your oracle guidance at last. So this is for your relationship, Capricorn, and this card is for your career situation, guys, and one card from the oracle guidance, the angel oracle guidance. So this is the card, Capricorn. So let's see, let's start with the daily reading. Let's see what are the cards here. Stars, heart, and birds. So with these cards, Capricorn, I see that in your situation today, whatever you are passionate about, maybe in your career or maybe with this person you love, you are making some important decisions and you are taking that counsel or suggestions from your friends or family regarding what you need to do next. So you are discussing your plans with this person, with the people you love, and maybe you are thinking of marriage or you are thinking of proposal. So you are making some important decisions. But whatever your circumstances are, guys, whatever your situation is, you have that confidence and determination overwhelming you, so you are able to handle any situation confidently with that firm conviction and determination, Capricorn. So that confidence is what is going to take you through in your situation, guys, whatever it may be. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Tower. So we see why we need confidence today. There are some changes, some uh, inexplicable changes happening in your life today. Maybe something unforeseen is coming today in your situation, guys, in your relationship. Maybe this person is leaving you all of a sudden. Maybe um they are making a move to a different place, different for work, or they are just not interested in this love, they are just leaving you, or you are changing your old ways. Maybe if you are still in this connection, you are changing your old behaviors, whatever is not working. Maybe you are changing yourself to have that better understanding with this person. So some changes, some major changes are happening in your life today, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Dog. So with this card, I see that you have that dedication and devotion. You are devoted to that motives you have, maybe positive motives. You want to work hard, save for your future, and you are working with that maximum dedication in your career situation, guys. And things are going in a positive way in your career. That is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card, the angel oracle guidance for you all, guys, for your general guidance. It's an angel card here. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are there guiding us today. So maybe with this card, guys, I see that you may be getting involved in some kind of a lawsuit, some litigation maybe, but you need not feel worried. You can rest assured that you will have the guidance. So whatever is just whatever is the right thing, whatever is fair in your situation. That is what is going to come about, guys. That result is going to come about, that harmony and fairness in all things. So maybe if you are involved in some kind of legal matters, this guidance is that you will get the clarity in your situation today, guys, and you will be able to find that balance in your emotions and harmony in your situation today. So that is the card here. So this harmony and balance is going to help you towards that right action, whatever is needed in your circumstance, Capricorn. So that is the reading, Capricorn. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.